Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows Defender start action not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a registry editor. So open registry editor. So open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening it, first of all select a H key local machine and expand it. After that select a software and expand it. After that select a policies and expand it. After that go to your Microsoft and expand it. Select a Windows Defender. After that delete or disable anti-spacebar. So delete it and close it. After I close it, after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening the command, type a command is sfc space / scan now and press enter. After that, it required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a command is dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and press enter. After completing that, it's required for a few minutes to complete this process. When it completed 100%, then close the registry editor and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem has fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.